Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that's been on my mind lately. How many employees does Basecamp have? I've been using Basecamp for a few years now, and I've always been curious about the company behind it. I know that they're a relatively small company, but I didn't know exactly how small. So, I did some research and found out that Basecamp has 25 employees. That's it. 25 employees. That's a pretty small team, especially when you consider that Basecamp is a popular and successful software company. What does this mean for Basecamp users? I think that this information is important for Basecamp users to know. It means that Basecamp is a small company with a limited number of resources. This could have some implications for the future of the company. For example, Basecamp may not be able to add as many new features as quickly as larger companies. They may also be more prone to bugs and other issues. However, there are also some advantages to using a small company like Basecamp. For example, Basecamp is often more responsive to customer feedback. They may also be more willing to work with users to find solutions to problems. What can we learn from Basecamp? I think that there are a few things that we can learn from Basecamp's success. First, it's important to focus on creating a high-quality product. Basecamp has been able to build a loyal following by creating a software product that people love to use. Second, it's important to be responsive to customer feedback. Basecamp is constantly making improvements to their product based on feedback from their users. Third, it's important to be patient. Basecamp has been around for over 15 years, and it took them a long time to achieve success. So there you have it. Basecamp has 25 employees. This is a small company, but it's a successful one. I think that we can learn a lot from Basecamp's success. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more videos about Basecamp and other productivity tools. In addition to the outro, I would also like to add a call to action. I would encourage viewers to visit the Basecamp website and learn more about the company. I would also encourage them to sign up for a free trial of Basecamp.